Make a great choice today with
the 2025 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, automatic climate control, lumbar support, cargo net, cargo tray, carpeted floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.